this is my February latest in beauty box. Let's have a dig through to see exactly what I've chosen this month. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I have this. This is my February latest in beauty box. Let's get it out of here. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join the YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It will just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. Right, so here is the box. Let's open it on up. So with this box, it's £13.95 per month. It's £3.95 for postage, and if you pay for postage 3 months in a row, your postage then becomes free. So this isn't like a normal beauty subscription box. You have to physically go on Latest in Beauty's website and pick your 6 items that you want in your box. So for that reason, there is no edit card in here at all. It would be pretty impossible to do an edit card for each and every single customer. But let me just move everything to the top so you can have a little sneak peek. I forgot to mention as well, I'll just pop it in here. If you are interested in purchasing this box for yourself, I have a link. I will pop the link in the information box and the comment box. Click that link, go and purchase your first box and get 20% off it. Who doesn't love a saving? And there you go, there is a little sneak peek for you. So I've just had a little look because I honestly couldn't remember what I've ordered, and there is 2 free products in here. So let's start off with those. First of the 2 free gifts we've got is this. So this is by the brand Cetaphil, and it is a moisturising lotion. We received this as a free gift last month as well, but not complaining because hey, it's free. But yeah, it's a decent little size at 29ml. The free product I've received is this, and guys, I'm really happy I've got this. So this is by the brand eyeko, and it's a Lash Alert Mascara Wake Up and Go. I love mascaras, and you know what? I really love eyeko mascaras. The brushes on them are really nice, and yeah, the brush on this one too is absolutely fantastic. Yeah. Love a free mascara. The first product I actually chose was this. So this is by the Curl Company, and it's Experts in Curls and Waves Enhance and Perfect Curl Cream, Nourishing Complex with Moringa Oil. This is a 200ml size, obviously a full-size product, and I haven't got curls, but when I let my hair dry naturally, I have wavy hair, so I thought this is going to be great. So it says here, problem, frizzy, unruly, unrefined curls, or in my case, unrefined waves. Solution, instant perfector to smooth and defrizz for a flawless finish. Yes please. So it says here to smooth onto dry or damp curls and style as usual. So it looks quite thick, and that smells gorgeous. It smells absolutely gorgeous. The second product I've chosen is this. It is by Grace Cold England, and it is Ginger Lily and Mandarin Luscious Body Butter. This is 225 grams in here, a full-size product. It just says smooth over skin to nourish dry areas, leaving them soft, supple and subtly scented. So I really didn't need another body butter, but I saw it and I thought it looks so pretty. The packaging looks very nice. So this is gold, obviously not real gold, I wish, but yeah, it's gold and blingy with a nice peachy colour. It looks expensive. That is what it looks like. Yep, definitely a butter because that is thick. So let's just massage that in. Oh yeah, that smells so good. Oh my god, and it feels amazing. Ooh, wow, very hydrating. Yeah, fabulous. The third item we have is this. So this is by the brand Purity London, and it's a facial cleanser and makeup remover. It contains natural and organic ingredients and is fragrance free. So every now and then I don't mind fragrance free, absolutely fine. I must admit I do like fragrance in my products. because it just makes it more enjoyable and feels a bit more bougie, if I'm honest. But if I'm having a sensitive skin day, it's great to have non-fragrance on hand. So the fourth item I chose is this. I had to get this because it's Philip Kingsley. This is Maximizer Root Boosting Spray. There's 60 mils in here, so it's not a huge amount, but it certainly gives you a few tries to see if you like it or not. But yeah, who doesn't want some boost at the roots? I know I do when I'm having a limp yucky hair day, so hopefully that will help and be awesome. The fifth item I chose was this. So this is by the brand Nuxe. I'm really liking some of Nuxe products at the moment. They do some really awesome stuff, and this is Nutrients Gold. It's Nutri Fortifying Oil Cream, ultimate anti-aging, reduces and nourishes, revives radiance. So sounds absolutely awesome. It's not the biggest, it's only 15 mils, but enough to try to see if we like. So again, that is quite thick. It feels lovely. Oh my god, guys, that smells amazing. Absolutely amazing. A little is going to go a long way as well. So okay, 15 mils might last a little while. I can't wait to use that. That smells so luxurious. The sixth and final product I have is this. So this is by Larotti Cosmetics. I am really liking some of their makeup bits at the moment. Amazing. This is Liquid Beam, and it's a multi-purpose liquid illuminator. So let's get it out of here. What shade did I get it in? In Quartz. So this is what it looks like. You really can't see that shine. Let me turn my light off a moment. So that's it with my light off. You can really see the sparkles in there. And yeah, really liking the packaging. Let's have a little look. That is what that looks like. Oh my goodness. That is intense. Let me turn my light off again. So that is it with the light off. Oh, wow, it's so pretty. Wow. Just patting it out there. And that's what that looks like. So there is tiny bits of glitter in there, and they will sit on the skin, which normally I don't really like. But with that, can you see that better? With that, it actually looks friggin' gorgeous. Yeah, I'm really liking that. Right guys, so this is my February latest in beauty box. What do you think? So personally, I'm freaking loving it. Obviously I chose it, so I like the products that I've chosen. They are products that I've never tried before, so I'm really happy to get them. Really happy to get 2 free products this month. So yet again, we've got the moisturizer, which is great in itself. It's free, and the little mascara, the eyeko mascara. Eyeko do some lovely mascara, so super happy about that, and I haven't tried that one before either. I've kind of got loads of body butters and body moisturizers and stuff like that, but when I saw that can't point to it, I had to get it. It was mainly the packaging that drew me in, and the size of the product as well. You can never have too many body products. So yeah, the curl and wave cream, I thought I'd give that a go when I naturally dry my hair out when it goes wavy. So hopefully it does a little bit of something for that. Yeah, facial cleanser. I've got a million face washes, but hey, let's have another one. As I say, it's great because it's fragrance free, so if I'm having a particularly sensitive skin day, that's definitely going to come in useful. The Philip Kingsley Maximizer, so yeah, get a bit of volume in my buns. That would be absolutely fantastic. The all-purpose highlighter thingy-majiggy, guys, that's freaking gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, the Nuxe Radiance Gold, yeah, feels gorgeous on the skin. I am happy. I really feel like I've got my money's worth, which is what it's all about at the end of the day. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.